Hi guys, it's Shipbase here, and we're here at Red Radisson Gatwick Hotel, and this is room 349. So this is quite interesting, probably one of those negative videos I'm going to do. So we've just actually changed room. This was the room we were originally given, but we've literally just moved next door. So first of all, as you come in, you guys won't see it, but it smells of smoke, which is not very pleasant. I don't smoke, but it does smell of smoke. But you have to just believe me on this one. There is also reviews on TripAdvisor that say it as well. So we did a picture for a runway view. There is a runway outside. So yes, we've just changed room, but so I thought I'd show you some of the other reasons why we did bring up as well. We are never actually negative. You can look through all my my room tours. We're always quite positive. But this first time I actually have to be sort of negative. So as you come in, you have this nice mirror. I need to switch on some lights. Too many lights. There you go. You have this mirror. You've got a luggage thing. Then you come into here. You've got the bathroom. Very nice bathroom. Toilet. Nice shower. Get some products. There's also more things in here. And then towels. And then this mirror. That's good. Very nice. And as you come out here, you got coffee and a safe, some mugs as well, and a kettle. Wardrobe space here with an ironing board and the ironing board and an iron. Got these interesting things that literally just hang from the ceiling. Bedside works basically. Basically, we asked for a double room, but this is kind of how they've set it up, and the other room is identical. Then we've got the TV, another like seating area, a chair, a desk, a phone. So this was the other thing we mentioned. The bin was full, and it didn't look like it ever got changed. You can also, there's a food thing you can collect and order any food from. Call and collect and order any food from the menu and have it in your room. Then here is the view from the window where the airport is actually just there, Gatwick. And in here, this again was the second thing or third thing technically we complained about, was that there was like sweet corn in the drawer. So yeah, very interesting. Normally, so we went to try a new hotel, so we're not sure. We're back here in Gatwick in September for Odyssey cruise, so we'll probably be looking at something else. Our other room is actually completely fine, so maybe it was just potluck. And the room looks really nice. We had dinner here, and the dinner was really nice as well. But yeah, this is Red Radisson Hotel. I almost said cabin, room 349, I think. But yeah. Thank you for watching. It's been Shipbase here. Please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. It's very much appreciated and it really does help me out. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. We're about to go on to Allure of the Seas and we will be there on tomorrow. Thank you for watching.